Welcome guys into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's talk about something really important for people who are influencers and want to work here directly here into Instagram, which is the domination of the short form videos into a business account inside Instagram. So if you're a beginner trying to use Instagram for marketing, you need a strategy focused into video reach, rapid growth, and clear monetization path. This will be helping you give you the 3 pillars of a successful Instagram marketing strategy for the 25th and 26th. Optimizing your profile for sales, mastering the real algorithm, and creating content that converts. So let's start with storefront. So first of all, the profile optimization. So your profile must instantly communicate 2 things. And for this, I'm going to go and try it out to start now and to log in directly through my actual Instagram. Directly into my Instagram, for example, this is from a client that we actually generated let's say a short film. So your profile must instantly communicate 2 things: who you help and how you help them. You have about 3 seconds before a visitor leaves. So you can start by creating your own account. So now that I have my new Instagram account, your name. Don't use your business name. You want to include keywords related to your niche, for example, Jane Smith. Second, your bio. Directly here into your bio, you want to use 3 to 4 lines broken up by emojis, focusing into the benefit you'll provide. Use an explicit call to action like the grab your free guide below. For example, go for edit your profile, and here into the presentation, let's say for example, you want of course to use your hook and to provide what you're actually aiming for. Let's say for example here, and I'm going to be importing what we're actually aiming for. For example, learning about Canva, CapCut, Filmora, Clipchamp, Camtasia, and I'm going to be starting to add emojis. For example, like for video, I use for example this one. And there we go. So I use these emojis and I go for send. So third, you wanted of course to focus into your link. Never link directly to your home page. So use a link in bio services to offer multiple valuable links. For example, your shop, your free guide, your latest blog post. This diversifies your conversion points. So we can use highlights as permanent menu tabs for your key information like client reviews, frequently asked questions, and quick link to your shop. Now this one, of course, if you already have your new Instagram account, you want to make sure that this one is for businesses. And to make sure that we are into the right section, you go for your element of your settings, and directly here into the settings, I wanted to make sure that I click into the actual privacy. Make sure that this one is not private. This should be let's say public. And down here into my settings, I choose the type of account. So I change this for a business. Go for next and continue. The difference between a creator and a business is that if you are only focusing into online video creation and so much more, that you can try out for the creator, because this one gives you more elements about contact information, simplified messages, and more growth strategies, something that you are going to be really might be of course really looking for, right? So I choose for example the category into the profile. Let's say for example that I am a content creator for YouTube, like this. Okay, continue. There we go. Now something else is to mastering the real algorithm. Into the 2026, your growth will become almost exclusively from reels. The algorithm heavier factors short forms video that keeps that viewer watching. So the rule number 1 is of course the first 2 seconds must be magnetic. So we use text on screen, fast cuts, or a provocative questions to stop users from scrolling. Because retention is the actual key. Retention is everything. So the rule number 3 is that always end with a CTA. You want to ask the viewer to save the reel, share it with a friend, or comment the favorite tip. Engagement signals tells your reel is valuable. To learn a little bit more about reels, you can go for Reels Education of Instagram. Type into Google, scroll down and look out for the Instagram for creators. Creators.instagram.com can be helping you to give you ideas and to more elements of how we can actually create reels. This one, for example, we can post a trial reel, new text tools, multiple audio tracks into the reel, hit into the option that says learn more, and you can see that we have new elements that kind of help us to learn more, a little bit more about the reels. If you're going to be focusing into Instagram, well, the reels are everything, basically everything to get started here for growing your actual Instagram account. So take that in mind. And of course, your entire feedback should not be sales pitches. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% value, 20% sales. So take that in mind when you want to start creating some reels. So use few highly targeted hashtags. Only focus around 5 targeted hashtags to make sure that the algorithm understands what your business is actually all about. If you sell physical products, integrate Instagram shops so you can tag products directly into your photos and videos, allowing the customers to check out seamlessly. So to succeed into Instagram, you want to optimize your bio. Prioritize high retention reels. Use the 80-20 rule for the content to build trust and sell, and you're good to go. So what's the first reel you're going to create? You can let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools about Instagram and so much more tools. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. See you next time.